أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعه وولاه وسلم تسليما كثيرا أما بعد. Let's get into our lecture of today, which is about small deeds or easy to do deeds. They're not small, I don't want to call them small deeds, but easy to do deeds and enormous rewards from Allah Azza wa Jal. Of course the reward will be enormous. It's easy on us physically, but it is with Allah Azza wa Jal, it is a huge deal, huge difference. As an example, the hadith, before I say anything, you will know that we know a lot of things, but unfortunately we're not practicing it. That's why it is far from our head. But once we spoke about it, yeah, I know that. I know you know that, but have you done it? That proves the point that when we ask Allah for guidance, we are not just asking Him to show us. Many people see the truth, but they still don't do it. They are distracted, they are controlled by their lust and desire, they are under the effect of other things, they are busy, they are worried, they are anxious, they are depressed, whatever the reason is. So not everybody, just because they are shown the truth or they're shown a good thing, they will end up doing it. Actually, majority of the people will not do it, even though they know the right thing. So you need the help of Allah Azza wa Jal to remind you, to remember Him. Going a lot to the Masjid. This is not applicable now. We cannot go to the Masjid, but in general, inshallah, Rabbil Alameen will come out of this, will come out strong, will come out with more love to the Masjid. Going out in the Masjid, every step will erase a sin and gain you a reward and raise you a degree. من راح إلى المسجد إلى مسجد الجماعة, whoever goes to the Masjid of Jama'ah, فخطوة تمحو سيئة وخطوة تكتب له حسنة ذاهبا وراجعة وخطوة تكتب له حسنة ذاهبا وراجعة. Going and coming back. People, and it will be written for you as a good deed. That's a hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. طيب. Somebody say, how about those who ride? It's all about intention. So if you are able to walk to the Masjid, better walk to the Masjid. If you are not able because it is hot or cold, or there is a circumstance that it's preventing you from like long distance or something like that, and you're going to miss the Salah, and you ride, because of that, make that your intention, that I would like to walk, but I have to ride, because walking is not that simple and not that easy. You get the reward as if you walked from that distance. Ibn al-Arabi al-Maliki, Imam Ibn al-Arabi al-Maliki mentioned that. He said, whoever rides, but they were prevented from al-mashaqqa, because of their hardship, Allah will give them reward as if every step. Right? So that's a hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.